Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be letting you guys in on the 411 on this hair. So I got a 180 density 24 inches of some gorgeous silky straight hair from ISEE Hair. They sent me a lace front wig. It was transparent lace, and I already told you guys the other specs as it relates to it being 24 inches 180 density. True to the density amount, it's pretty lightweight, but it's definitely true to the density amount. It was so easy to pluck this hair. It came pre-plucked. I'm gonna show you guys a clip of the wig on the outside and inside so you guys can see like what it looked like after me just lightly plucking the hair. I didn't have to do too much, and I definitely showed you guys the process of how I install my hair. So if you'd like to see it, just keep on watching. Thank you so much for ISEE Hair for sending me this gorgeous wig. If you'd like to purchase this wig, the links will be in the description box. Installation is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and it only takes like between 45 to an hour. You don't need that much time to install a wig, especially something so easy like this. All I did was cut the lace off and slapped it on, did the baby hairs and straightened it, and I showed you guys every single step of the way on here, so just keep watching. This is the wig. I know the background is crazy or the camera is shaky, but I'm pretty much just showing you how it looks after being plucked and obviously parted in the middle. This is what the hair looks like before straightening it. It's pretty thick, and I like it super lightweight, so however it looks now is definitely how I like it. This is the inside of the wig. You can see it was bleached and everything. I took out the 3 combs at the top, which are usually there, but I left the bottom comb in, and it has straps. Beautiful. This is me positioning the wig into place. It's gorgeous, pre-plucked and all. So I'm going to demonstrate that I'm using my scissors to cut the lace off and cut off the 2 ear tabs. Then right now I'm showing you guys that I have tinted the lace, cut the 2 ear tabs off, and showing you guys how exactly I want it to lay on my head. Now I'm gonna go in with my Ghost Bond glue. I use 2 layers of this glue. I make sure my part is nice and centered in the middle before patting it down. Sorry for my ratchet fingernails, but yeah, it's really easy to do, to be honest guys. And this is not it, this is not the end. You obviously have to go back in and retint the lace to make sure it matches your skin after putting glue on your the front of your head. And yeah, it's laid down. I'm gonna do the 2 ear tabs and come back. So this is what we're looking like once the wig is on with no types of baby hairs. It's actually really super flat. So let me just go in, make my baby hairs. I have many tutorials on that, and I'm gonna come back when the hair is straightened to show you the final everything. Hey loves, so I am back and this is all I do. Your install doesn't have to take 5 hours, literally 1 or less. So an install under an hour is perfect timing with plucking including and everything. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you ISEE here for sending me this wig and sponsoring this video. If you'd like to purchase the wig, which I definitely would recommend, because look at this. Can I get a wow? Wow. Okay, yeah, but for real, I'll see you lovely ladies in the next one. The links for this gorgeous 180% density wig will be left in the description box below for you to purchase your own, and I'll see you lovely ladies in the next one.